Leute, wie geht's? Was ist los hier? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. I have here a model kit, and this is not a Gundam model kit. This is a Macross model kit, so shout out to all Macross fans, and let's have a rest from doing Gundam kits. So let's have some different mecha model here aside from Gundam, so which is the Macross. So this came from the anime Macross Delta, and this is the Siegfried Mirage FARINA Genius use. So as far as I know, this is the daughter, one of the daughter of Maximilian Genius and Miria. I forgot the name of her mother, which is an alien. Much as I remember, because I watched the Super Dimensional Fortress Macross, the first Macross anime that is released by Japan. Because there are two variants of that. The other one is I forgot the title in America, because they made another anime of this in America, but still same version from the Super Dimensional Fortress. Anyway, as far as I remember, this is the daughter of Maximilian Genius, one of the best pilots from that series. And I find this kit very nice because this transforms into three modes: the fighter mode, or which is the jet fighter mode, the Batoroid, or the jet fighter with legs, weird looking mecha, and the Batoroid mode, which is the mecha, the mobile suit mode. So I'm very happy to find this in Shopee Philippines, which came from Benguet or Baguio, I think. So that's the coldest place in here in the Philippines. And thank you for that ISAMU Gunpla store who sold me this kit. Thank you very much. I bought this from the price of 2,600, I think, or 2,400, but the actual price, it says here 3,200. So yes, I saved a lot from this kit. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside Los Kits. So their box it, their shoe nows, looks very nice, looks amazing. You can see this one of the sexy characters I know from the Macross, which is FARINA Genius. I saw some clips of her and she's very cute and lovely. And despite having these elf-like ears, because she's a hybrid, she's half human and half Zentradi, something like that. And there, I don't know who's this girl. I think this is some variant of Lee Min Mai. And there you can see the Batoroid mode of her model. So as far as I remember, there is this singing wingman from that series, because Macross is not just a war anime, it has a musical side also. And as far as I remember from the first Macross, the Super Dimensional, there's this topsy-turvy love story between the singer, who is Lin Min Mei, and the main pilot, Ichio Hikaru. And also, he got married with his captain, Misa Hayase, I think. So too much for that. I'm already spoiling the anime. Anyway, I really like that love story. It's very funny and very cute. Very dramatic also. So in the side of the box, we can see here the fighter mode, So it's gray, pink, and white combination here. And the girl walk mode, you can see the jet fighter with legs, alien looking thing. And there we have this Batroid mode, which is the mobile suit mode, something like that. And there are other variants also, but the difference between these fighters are the color schemes, but their mechanical build is the same, just the same. So the box is not thick, it's thin, and there's no high grade or something written there. Anyway, let's check this first. There we can see some features here. The head looks nice, looks sinister. There's this yep, the cockpit and the chest. There, the Batroid mode, holding the rifle. There's this cannon on the back, and there you can see the straight build kit without the decals. So again, going back, there's no scale or how they call it, like master grade or high grade, but the scale here is 1/72 scale, which is big, to be honest. If you watch other reviews of Macross kit, it's like about a tall master grade. It's even taller than the RX-78 and my Yakushiki. So this is a tall kit, to be honest. So if we open the box, we can see here the instruction manual, and there we can see the Siegfried Mirage FARINA Genius. So it has the same design like in the box art. There we can see so much chit chats here, blah blah blah, here, and there we can see how to assemble the kit. So very nice. So it's black and white, and there we can see some colored features in the middle of the manual. So we can see the cute FARINA Genius here. She's very nice, she's very lovely, and her partner, singer, Sailor Moonish looking child there. And I'm not familiar with the characters here because I didn't even watch this Macross Delta, Frontier, something like that. I only watched the original, the first one. So there we can see the transformation guidelines, how to transform this from jet, Batroid, Gerwalk, something like that. But for me, I will not do jet fighter mode. I will stick to the Batroid immediately because I don't like transforming my kits. It will damage the joints, to be honest. There's this parts list here about the master grade volume of parts. There's the color guide if you want to paint the kit, if you don't like to apply the stickers. And there the decal placement here. So much. If you're a decal fan, you will love this kit because of so much decals included. So there we have here white runners. There's a plastic there, yellow plastic with metal pins for this will act as a joint for the nozzle and the wings. So very nice. This will be a strong kit, or it will be a strong pivot for the kit. So we have here white runners. We're having here brown runners here. So gray runners, all gray runners, and what's that? I don't know what. Let's see inside later. So we have here pink runners, gray runners, and clear pieces here for the canopy. And there we have clear pink plastic there. We have small runners here, white runners. It's like a bronze colored runner, and there's a gray ABS small parts there inside. There we have a clear green piece there for the visor, I think. And we have small white plastics here, ABS plastics. Then we have this small gray runners and small pink runners. And as I'm saying a while ago, bullshit decals included, so there are so much stickers inside. It will take time if I put this all, but I think I'll just choose some of the nice designs here. So if you're a sticker fan for Bandai, because Bandai is a sticker relying kit, which is not good. I hope Bandai will learn from Modoroid and Photobukia, where they put some pre-painted parts. Anyway, we have here foil stickers for some color correcting one here. Okay. So as always, lassen Sie uns eine kurze Überprüfung für die Teile haben. Yalla Habibi, let's begin. We have here small runners here for runner P1, and this I can see here pilot figure for Farina, and there small one, bronze colored runner here, runner H, ABS plastic. So I think this is for the feet part, for the booster part. And what I saw from other reviewers, be careful, they say be careful on this part here, because this part here is brittle. So maybe I'll think about reinforcing this plastic here first before I apply it on the kit. We have your small pink runner here, runner 01 and runner 02. This is the cockpit. Two types of cockpit. You have the two-seater and the single-seater cockpit. Maybe I'll choose with this double-seater cockpit. And we have your green, clear green piece here for the visor, I presume. And we have here runner J, pink runners, small. We have runner I here for joints, I don't know, small runners. And we have runner G here, small white runners for connector parts. So let's go to big runners. We have here white runner, runner B for the cockpit, the guns, the hand parts. We're having here visor for the wings, for the cockpit also. You're having here ground tile. So I think this is for the back of the booster or the wing part. I don't know the parts of the jet, sorry, because I'm a nurse. I don't know it. And I saw, we have extra parts here for the cockpit parts, but I don't know. It's maybe the other one is a reserve part. Anyway, it's my first time to build Macross, to be honest. And it's locked. Okay, we have here runner A for multicolored runners. There's cockpit window there, pink parts, clear pink parts, and gray parts. And last but not the least, we are having here a ground tile, which is for the feet, for the legs, I think, for the joints, something like that. Anyway, This is made up of ABS plastic, so this is runner F. And before I forget, we have here metal pins for, I think this one for the wing connector, and this longer and thicker pin here is for the nozzle or the cockpit part. So again, Ishai's a cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and it's my first time to build macros, and I'm very excited. So see you next time. Bis dann, tschüss, God bless, grüß Gott, Schlibidisch.